Kasi ako talaga, napagdaanan ko na pati sa mga past pageants. I always doubt myself kasi
Good day mga katoyo, we've been waiting for this kasi kita namin sa comment section lagi nyo tong nire-request. Of course, with us is the reigning Sanyata Tika Cebu 2024, the one and only Citrus Queen. Citrus Queen yung tawag namin sa kanya kasi medyo maasim personality lang. Medyo maasim yung personality, not the amoy naman. No? The personification of a katoyo, ito perfect. No? We have Miss Rica Copero. So, yung iba kasi tinatanong, ano naman tong Project Citrus nyo? Di ba may squad podcast na kayo, no? Yung squad podcast kasi is more personal, more in-depth. But Project Citrus will tackle more on the naturally vibrant province of Nueva Vizcaya. So, we'll be promoting people. Kasi ako naniniwala ko what makes our province naturally vibrant is the people itself. But of course, we have our tourist spots. We have establishments, we have MSMEs na we are very proud na they are Novo Vizcayanos, no. Madami tayong kwento about MSMEs na talagang namamayagpag sa market. So we'll be promoting them as well sa series na to. But now, first and foremost, we would like to thank our sponsors, of course, the one and only Papa Jing, Governor Attorney Jose Jing Dambito, and yung Facebook page niya, Gayem TV, no. So thank you Papa Jing for partnering with Novoviz Channel para makapag-produce kami ng mga ganitong series, no. We would also like to thank Boss Mark, Russell, Black Bayan kasi nagpadala siya ng food. So hindi kami mabuhay ng mga feel ko nagsi-series na lang tayo para may free food, no. Thank you to Jehaven Coffee and Tea Boyombong branch, no, kay Sir Mark, napaka-support sa ating Katoyo series. Salamat sa pagpapadala ng food ni Rica. Actually, sabi niya sa akin,
yes, thank you.
The drinks.
Mark. You're the best. I'm the best pala. You're the best. Sorry.
Thank you as well to Ma'am Carla and Sir Jerome sa Carabay for sponsoring po yung pag-deliver from Jehaven papunta dito sa aming studio. Thank you so much. Bait-bait po ng mag-asawang yan.
But now, let's bring in the one and only, yung guest natin. Lagi kayo nagko-comment, sana next na. And sa wakas, napagbigyan din tayo to be with the one and only, the viral queen. Ayan, ang nagpasikat ng Gran Amungan Festival 2024, the one and only
Mellar Claire Vicmudo Romero, 22, from the municipality of ADI Duras, JD!
Walang pupas, no? Pero sobrang tumatak nung introduction na yun eh. Marami pa nga nagko-comment minsan kapag may mga nagpo-post about Mellar. Pinopost nila, sana yung introduction. Talagang tumatak sagad. So thank you Mellar for once again. Actually, once again, bakit? First live kasi, live interview, nandun na naman tayo. Then one time, nagkita-kita kayo ulit dun sa... bago ko makalimutan, this video is also sponsored by, pumunta ka na doon, kay Nurse Twinnie.
Ay, opo.
Marlene's Gluta Aesthetic Clinic, trusted since 2016. This is also sponsored by Pizzeria Blend and Sam's Kitchen. No? Sa comment section lalagay natin. But we invited Miss Mellar. Actually, we want to talk more about now, yung ito na ngayon, that you are now our Sanyata Nueva Vizcaya 2024. Kasi as Sanyata, you are expected become parang pinaka-lead ambassador, no, ng province when it comes to tourism and when it comes, of course, to tourism and for anything related to Nueva Vizcaya that we should be proud of. Parang si Rica is the reigning Sanyata very sito pag to
orange siya.
Oh,
Yes.
sabi ko nga lang sa kanya, tignan mo yung outfit baka talbugan mo si Mellar
Kulang na lang i-headdress ko yung kayabang na may malaking
Hindi
And
ako
then-
papaya.
And of course, the Citrus Festival, the Municipal Fiesta of Cebu is upcoming.
Yes, malapit
So,
na.
malapit na, no? Ano ba yung mga events, Rika? Meron na?
For as of now, yung Miss Cebu 2024 screening which is June 10 and 11. Tapos opening ng Sport Fest 2024 is on June 22. So, abang-abang na po sa page namin, Citrus Festival 2024.
Sige. So, si James pala. By the way, again,
Yes.
just like on our podcast, behind the scenes, behind the camera, the one and only drone guy, si Kuragi. And, of course, the one and only James Jimenez, no? So, going back, no, Mellar? So, now that you are our Senyata Tinobisco 2024, meron ka ba mga personal plans or meron nang dinisclose ang PLGU sa'yo? Of course, headed by our Sir Jing sa tourism office natin, headed by Ma'am Jeng. Kung ano naman yung mga ma-anticipate naming activities with Miss Mellar to promote the tourism of the province.
As of now po kasi hindi pa masyadong maayos yung schedule kasi syempre busy rin po sila, hectic schedule. Pero yung about advocacy, so kinuha rin po ako ng NVBFP as an ambassadress. Ayan. So malaking tulong din po yun, coordinate ng tourism. Tapos yung aking advocacy is about climate action plan, which is kasali dun yung restore, regreen, and rehabilitate. Ayan. More on, tree planting activities. Ayan. So, hintay ko rin yung mga ibang plans nila Ma'am Jeng kasi hindi pa kami masyadong nag-meet po.
Oo.
Busy rin sila.
Sabagay, ongoing po yung post-assessment kasi ng amungan natin. They do this post-assessment so that we ensure that next year, mas maganda na naman yung ating Grand Amu. Kasi this year, actually, hindi to galing sa PLGU, no? This is galing sa mga tao. And when we read comments, they are very much impressed, of course, under the leadership of Sir Jing, Papa Jing Gambito, and the Director General nung festival natin this year, the one and only Ma'am Ruth Rania Padilla. Ang ganda nung pagka-handle. And people, no? It's the people who are telling us that ang ganda nung pagka-conduct natin. Ang smooth kasi. And backstory, hindi umulan. Alam nyo kung bakit? Before po mag-start ang Grand Amungan Festival, may mga konting ulan. Alam niyo si Ma'am Ruth, pumunta siya ng St. Clair sa Aritao. Talagang nanalangin siya sa Diyos na please, wag naman during Amungan. Kaya tignan nyo, sabi ko, ang lakas ng dasal ni Ma'am Ruth, hindi umulan talaga until nung concert. So, but we're hoping, we're gonna expect more of you.
Yes po.
Yun yung sure tayo, no? Now, aside from that, syempre abang-abang na lang tayo.
I thank you so much po pala kay Papa Jing, kay Governor Attorney Jing Gambito kasi tinawag po courtesy call nung last Monday ata yun.
Yes, nung last
po.
Monday.
Tapos pati po kay Ma'am Ruth Padilla. Thank you so much po talaga.
Yes, mga supportive nating leaders sa province, no. Now, going further, personal advocacy mo yung sa climate action, no.
Yes.
So, we'll be expecting more of activities na related sa climate change and everything, no. So, asahan natin 'yan. Kapag kailangan mo on promotion and for mobilizing people, yan naman si Rika.
Ay, talaga.
Si Rika kasi pag nagtawag yan, pan.
Pero ang nice ha, tree growing kasi kami puro sama ng loob lang tinatanong. Yes,
Pinasok talaga, no?
Pinasok, anak, ha?
Yes, tree growing
Honest lang tayo
activities.
dito, guys.
Kaya kailangan nating mag-tree planting para maiba naman yung tinatanim. Di ba?
And to highlight, no, yung pan natin, no, gusto nating, kasi syempre ito, a forensic science student now being expected to lead the image build-up of the province as a tourism destination. Mellar, paano mo ibebenta ngayon ang province? Kunwari, I'm a tourist, no? Paano mo ibebenta sa akin na pupunta ako ng Biskaya to enjoy? So, kunwari, sales talkan mo kami. Sige nga, kung paano.
Welcome! Joke lang. Pero syempre, we are, we have a lot of social media platforms, portals. I would recommend na mag-post tayo. Madalas, or kung pwede, daily Tapos, mas okay din po maipromote natin yung ating tourist destination through event calendars. Ayan. Tapos magkandak pa tayo ng more festivals, di ba? Sa different municipalities. O, di ba?
At i-highlight, no?
Opo, i-highlight talaga.
Kasi if I remember it right, yun yung naging tema ng Grand Amungan Festival this year na pinifeature ngayon yung mga festival natin sa municipalities kasi we don't only want them to come during Grand Amungan Festival but to come as well during festivals ng mga municipalities. Like ito nga, upcoming Citrus Festival. Ako, daming airtime ng Kasibu ngayon kasi we love Kasibu, we love, we love Kasibu people. Pero I think, magpipiesta din ng Jadi.
Opo, June 16
Ngayong
to
June,
19.
tapos Tangguyog Festival ng Quezon. At parating ang mga festival naman ng Bayombong and the rest of the town. For the municipalities na nanonood, ng mga municipal tourism officers, kapag gusto nyo po tumulong kami for promotion, feel free to reach out. So ayun, now we would like to ask you, what is your message for all the young, kasi mostly of people online are, ito nga, yung mga mas generation ni Rika. But we want to ask you for a short message for all the young Novo Vizcayanos out there. Especially na, ito, fun fact, ang tagal pong hinintay ni Mellar for that shot, for that crown. You were...
16 when I was crowned as Libnos sponsor.
Oh.
2018.
So
Yeah,
since
underage.
2018, the journey to that crown, grabe yung tagal. But still, kaya nga sabi ko, when I heard that from Leia, sabi ko, so it was a sweet victory talaga. We would always remember the night that you were crowned. Kasi it speaks a lot of what we would want sa mga kabataang Novo Vizcayanos, perspective sa buhay. When your name was announced and you thought that you were the first runner-up, you were already happy.
Yes.
Meaning, okay na sa'yo yung first runner-up. And that speaks a lot about humility and bilang mga kabataang Novo Vizcayano. Nakikikabataan, 35 na. It speaks a lot of paano ba tayo dapat as a people, yung character natin. And the journey, imagine you were 16 years old when you won and you have to wait a long time just to have a shot at the crown. And when you were already there sa top 5, you were even happy na kahit first runner-up ka lang. So, what is your message now for all the young Novo Vizcayanos out there?
So, ang magiging advice ko po is be resilient. Kasi ako, I really waited for how many years? 6 years. Ayan. Tapos, I always doubt myself. Kasi parang, bakit kaya hindi ako lagi na isasabak? Ano bang mali sa akin? Parang kulang ba ako? Pangit ba ako? Pero napapatanong rin talaga ako ng ganun kasi sabi ko, meron na rin yung na-ask ko kay God, bakit? Meron yung mga instances na ganun sa buhay natin na papatanong tayo. Pero my greatest realization talaga sa life is do not rush things. Kasi kung para talaga sa atin, para sa atin. Doon ko na-realize na kung hindi man para sa akin yung stage na yun, baka meron na talagang greater or baka greatest stage for us, di ba? Kasi sabi nga nila, I always hear ito, yung when doors are closed, there are windows open. So yun, maging matatag lang po, tapos iwas na sa negativity kasi ako talaga napagdaanan ko na pati sa mga past pageant ko noon. Lagi kong binabantayan yung mga kalaban ko noon. Tapos lagi ko dapat maganda ako, ganun. Mas maganda ako, ganun yung mga mindset talaga pag bata-bata pa. Pero sabi ko, ayoko na ma-pressure. Gusto ko rin parang ibuhos yung best ko. Tapos kung hindi man best yung best ko, at least ginawa ko yung best ko. O, diba? Ang ganda nun.
Ang daming best
Ayun.
nun.
Oo, tapos syempre yung faith talaga kay God. Kasi bago talaga ako pumunta sa pageant area no, nag-pray ako, pumunta ako sa church dito sa Bayombong. Sabi ko, alam niyo na po lahat, God, yung mga rejections ko, yung failures ko, disappointment ko sa buhay. So, kahit awarding na nun ng minor awards, nagpre-pray pa rin ako eh. Sabi ko, sige po, baka hindi po talaga para sa akin yung stage na to. Pero ilalaban ko pa rin. Pero meron pa rin yung part doon na naiiyak ako. Kasi baka hindi maging proud yung mga taga-jadi sa akin, gano'n. Kahit alam kong gagawin ko yung best ko. Sabi ko, tuloy pa rin yung laban, walang susuko. Yun yung natutunan ko sa buhay eh. Dapat maging resilient palagi. Maging matatag kasi at the end of the day, yung sarili mo talaga makakatulong sa'yo kung paano mo i-boost yung confidence mo, kung paano mo ma-appreciate yung sarili mo.
So yan, to all the young Novo Vizcayanos out there, this is our proof that when you are resilient, kumbaga, someday, somehow, it will pay off.
Oh.
And ito talaga ang napansin ko, kasi we've been monitor, syempre nandun kami all steps ng competition. Hindi nakikita namin si Mellar. Si Mellar yung ine-enjoy lang. And sabi nga niya, before, very conscious siya. But the time that I'm just here to enjoy, that was the time na binigay din sa kanya. Yung kanyang pinaka-mimithing corona. And sabi ko nga kanina, she was kontento na siya for any place dun sa top
Ang
5.
genuine kasi ng reaction. Eh, no?
Kaya
Actually,
napaka-genuine.
hindi ko
And yun nga, about that, yung sa mundo kasi ng social media, masyado tayong conscious, no? But kung tutuusin, pwede namang, basta ang importante sa'yo, kilala mo yung sarili mo.
Opo.
What other people tells you. Kasi nakakatuwa to nun eh, yung ito, konting pan lang sa side namin. Nung in-announce na yung top 5, umalis na kasi kami doon. We came back here to start editing things out. And nung yung reaction natuwa kami, but sobrang pagsisisi namin, hindi namin hin-highlight yon yung part na yon. But nung lumabas na, syempre may mga negative comments pa rin, na ganito yung voice.
May
But
iwasan
Part
talaga.
kaya nga sabi ko nun, ang iniisip namin nun, kamusta na kay si Meller? How? Yung pala sanay na. Kaya sabi niya, sanay na pala sa mga ganun. Kaya pala, immune na pala siya. And,
Oh my
and,
God.
and that's one thing. Let's try to, kung pwede naman tayo maging immune sa mga ganyang bagay. Even Rika. Rika actually,
Iwasan natin yung pagiging people pleaser. Ano
Tama.
po, basta masaya tayo sa ginagawa natin.
si Rika kasi yung unbothered queen sa amin. She doesn't really care about what other people thinks and tells about her kasi kilala naman niya sarili niya. O kung sabihan siya na masama, edi wow, ganun lang siya.
Tsaka totoo naman ka.
O ngayon, alam niyo na kung bakit kami magkaibigan ni Rika. Kasi pareho lang kami ng mentality na,
Walang sa
masamang tao, kwento mo yan, alangan naman. So, thank you so much, but of course, like anyone na nag-guest dito sa aming
Ay, wow!
show kasi, this is a artwork of a local artist kasi we only lahat ng pinifeature namin kasi dito are local. Ang cute, no? This is another artwork of Miss Shanley Antonio. Sining ni Binibini, no? So, lahat kasi na nag-guest sa amin, nag-aambagan kami to produce a...
Ay, wow. Thank you so much.
Kasi para naman maalala mo yung squad kapag nakikita mo yan. So, thank you for coming.
Thank you so much po.
Ito din, ito kasi para sa, this is from Novovis din. This is a keychain. It's from Lance Creation.
Yes.
So, this is made out of clay. Handmade siya. So, yan. Ito pa. Tapos may pinapabigay si Ipan, si Kuya Mark. Kasi baka hanapin na Mark sa akin. Mga
Ay,
stickers ng J-Ben. Ayan.
Ay,
So,
thank you so much po.
galing kay Sir Mark. Ayan.
Itatapal ko yan sa buong pagkataon niya. Pero thank you so much po.
Yes, at ganyan
lagyan na natin
ka-kaloob
doon.
ng squad namin.
Yes. Ganyan namin kamahal si Meller. No?
Uy, squad natin.
Ay! Nice! And actually, pa yan, expected yun kasi pag in the future, pag lalabas-labas ka for shoots and everything about related sa tourism, asahan mo, pakalat-kalat kami doon. So, thank you, Meller, for gracing our invitation. Ulit, this is co-presented by Gayem TV, by no less than Papa Jing, Governor Attorney Jose B. Gambito. So, mapapanood nyo din tong video na to dun sa kanilang Gayem TV page. And hopefully, mas marami pa kami magawang videos promoting, of course, the naturally vibrant Nueva Vizcaya. Maraming salamat and till our next episode.
Thank you.
Ang bilis.